Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So you saw the title of this video that this is an announcement video, which some of you already may have a pretty good idea what it is, but I wanted to make an official video announcing that I have brought back Cooking with Alana and Gaming with Alana. So I'm super excited about both of those. So let's first start with Cooking with Alana. I have got some recipes up on there that's pretty good. It's cheap because I don't like to go spend a bunch of money on on food. Let me rephrase that. It's cheap because I don't like to spend a lot of money on ingredients to make a good meal when I can make a good meal with cheap ingredients. And some of it's going to be healthy because I don't eat carbs and I don't eat a lot of calories because I'm trying to maintain the 70 pounds that I've lost. So some of those recipes are going to be what I eat to lose the 70 pounds. And then some of the recipes are things that like my daughter will eat, my mother-in-law, my husband. I like some cookie recipes. I got a sheet cake that I want to make, a pineapple sheet cake. And then a lot of what I'm going to be making is that my husband, or recipes that my husband found in this old wooden box that he found in an antique store, and he opened it and it's full of old recipes. So I've just been grabbing and cooking what I pull out of there. Like the very first thing was lemon whippersnappers. I hadn't the slightest clue what that is, but so I had to actually look it up. But that is one recipe. There's going to be a bunch more coming. And then on Gaming with Alana, that is where I kind of took a note from Fiber Spider because I love his gaming channel. That's one, when I'm crocheting and I don't want to watch TV or listen to TV, I turn on Fiber Spider because I love his gaming channel. And yeah, so I kind of took a page out of his book, and it's just me having fun on a video game. So right now what I'm playing is two games. One of them is called Elden Ring, which is a little more gory, bloody, killing stuff. And then the other one I'm playing is Yoshi's Woolly World, which my good friend Carol Beck, she has a channel. I'll put a link in the description box for her channel. I'll tell you what, that woman can knit and crochet. Holy cow. She doesn't post a lot of videos, but when she posts a video, I am blown away with what she shows that she makes. Like, holy cow. This woman is amazing. I like it. She'll say, I made this for my granddaughter. I made this for my daughter-in-law. I made this for, and I'm like, man, I want to be a daughter-in-law. I want to be a granddaughter. I want that. Anywho, so the Yoshi's Woolly World, that is the cutest game I have ever played. I love that game. It's Yoshi, which is a little, which I've had this debate before. Is Yoshi a dinosaur or is Yoshi a dragon? I don't know. But anyway, he runs around and he eats yarn and spits, like, poops out yarn balls. Like, it pops out of his butt, which, I mean, it just, you don't actually see it. But there's crochet hooks, there's knitting needles, there's sewing, there's buttons, there's all kinds of stuff in the landscape and in the design of the game that you play with. So for instance, there's a little creature that shoots a button at you and you eat the button and then turn around and shoot it back at him. And then there's one where the little guys are running around with crochet hooks and you try to get them and they stab you with crochet hooks. It's adorable. I love that game. My daughter and I have been playing that. Gets a little aggravating at times, but it's a blast. So I have posted videos lately and I'm back in the rhythm of it, and I'm super happy. And there are going to be a lot more on the cooking channel, a lot more low carb, low calorie recipes, and then there's going to be, you know, normal recipes. So my schedule as of now, as of me filming this video, because it's probably going to change, I post one video a week of cooking and 3 videos a week of gaming. And once I get into the hang of it, you know, because I don't want to just stack a bunch of stuff on my plate and get overwhelmed, but once I get the hang of what's going on and what I've got going now, then I'll add more videos to the cooking. because as of now, I do 3 videos a week for crocheting with Alana, 1 video a week for cooking with Alana, and 3 videos a week for gaming with Alana. So yeah, I wanted to make an official announcement to let you all know. The links will be in the description box. Check those out. Head over there, give me a subscribe, give me a like, watch a couple, tell me what you think. Because I'm learning. Just like I learned whenever I started doing tutorials and doing, I call them me in front of the camera videos for crocheting with Alana. It's a learning process. It's not the easiest, and it's a little frustrating, but I'm getting the hang of it, and I could not be happier to get in front of the camera and be like, let me show you guys. Well, for instance, the last video that I filmed for Cooking with Alana, I made something I love to eat with a meat. So, like, for instance, the night I made these, I ate them with a hot dog and a hamburger. I take a zucchini, and I take it on my mandolin slicer, and I slice it, and then bake it with cheese, all that stuff. Well, off camera, thankfully, I learned a lesson with that. I was slicing away my zucchini on my mandolin slicer and hit my finger on the blade. Whoo! I didn't even look. I just grabbed my finger and I was like, Emma! And she came running and she's like, what? And I was like, I hit my finger! Well, of course, whenever I showed her, it was a lot more gory down my hand. Well, what I had done was hit that blade and took half of my fingernail off, and it went like, well, I wouldn't even say half. I'd like a quarter of the way into my finger. Let's see, that was 3 days ago. It's just now getting to where it doesn't hurt to bump it. Ooh, that was, I think it was one of those things I was more scared than I was actually in pain, because I knew it was going to be bad, because that, if you guys don't know, mandolin slicers are sharp. Super, super sharp. And mine's 5-6 years old, so it's not quite as sharp as it used to be, but holy cow, it'll lob your fingertip off. So it's tucked on there and it's healing back. And that's when I learned that not all prep work needs to be done on camera, because I am a doofus and I am clumsy. And if there is a rock on the ground or anything like that, I'm going to trip on it. That's me. Anywho, in case you guys can't tell, I've been outside cleaning in my backyard, so I'm all sweaty and nasty, and my hair's a mess, and my gray is sticking out. Anyway, I'm going to go jump in the shower and then film another Cooking with Alana video, which is zucchini, which is, my husband tells me all the time, he's like, this is my favorite zucchini recipe. And we have a garden and we get zucchini like twice, well, no, I shouldn't say that. Probably, yeah, maybe twice a week we get pretty good, decent sized zucchini on there. And if we miss one, oh my gosh, they get huge. Anyway, so we get plenty of zucchini, but he will tell me, he's like, this is my favorite recipe that's low carb. I don't want to say keto because I'm not a scientist. There is not a lot of carbs in it. How many? I don't know. I know it's low carb because of the ingredients. So I'm not an expert to say it's keto. I eat it and it worked for me. So, but I eat very low carb, very low calorie. Anywho, so thank you guys for watching. Go to the description box and check out the links that I said I was going to have. Why did I say I was going to put Carol's link down there? I don't even remember why. COVID mush brain. I'm telling you, I am still fighting mush brain after having COVID, because I'll say something like I just did about Carol and I haven't the slightest clue why or what I was saying. She'll be down there. I don't know why. Alright, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go take a shower so I can get ready to film another one. So, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to all 3 of my channels so you can get me several times a week. That's the best, right? My husband would be like, only a nut would do that. I know. Anywho, you guys are the greatest. I love you all. I'd give each and every one of you a hug if I could. Just right around the neck, because you're probably taller than me. Anywho, I'm rambling. I'm going to get out of here. Bye, guys.